Ravichandran Ashwin, on his show Reminisce with Ash, brought Rohit Sharma on to discuss the latter's epic double turn against Australia in the 2013 series decider at the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bangalore. In that match, Rohit ended up scoring 209 runs from 158 balls to help India win by 57 runs and clinch the 7-match series 3-2. Talking about his stand with Dhoni, Rohit said the then India captain wanted him to take a cautious approach when they got together at the crease, which was a strategy he didn't agree with. You know how it is with MS in the middles, said Rohit. He likes to talk, he likes to keep adding his thoughts about what I should do.
Okay. Rohit, I'm not sure if you watched this, but this is an episode where I'm going back in time and remembering matches from the past. And clearly, without having to negotiate much with you, I asked you about it and you were more than happy to talk about this game. One of my favorite knocks of yours, there are plenty, but this has to go down as one of the best in ODI history. What do you remember from this game in Bangalore, especially about your batting and the game itself?
Yeah, I know. It was firstly, it was an important series for us because I had just started to open for India at that point. We played Champions Trophy and then we went to West Indies after that. And then I remember straight after West Indies, it was this tournament which we played against Australia. So, and you know how we like to play against Australia. You want to prove a point, you want to beat them, you want to do so many things with them. So it was a good challenge for me to face that team, and I took it upon as a good challenge. I remember before the first game in Jaipur, UV and I, we went to do a pool session, and I remember him telling me, now this is a great opportunity for you. You just started opening the batting and you get to face, nearly whatever. I mean, you get to face from ball one till the last ball is bowled of your innings. So it's a great opportunity for you to now get big 100 in this series. I was getting 40s, 50s, 70s and all that. In Champions Trophy also, you were part of it, and I was getting a couple of 50s I got. And then I couldn't make it a big one, So that was a good talk we had there in the pool. And I told him, I also feel that now that I'm opening the batting, I need to make it big. And I remember the first game we played, we chased 360, man, in 41 overs.
Yeah, I think Australia won in Pune and we hit them back, right?
Yeah, they won in Pune. Then we won another one, and they won again in Mohali. So it was quite an interesting contest between the two teams because they had a solid team, we had a solid team as well. But Australia is a team, they don't like to give it up so easily wherever they play, and especially when they travel, they like to prove a point as well. So they play, they go that extra mile to win that game or the series. So I remember clearly, it was a hard-fought series, and that Bangalore game was a decider for us. And I never thought I will score a double 100. Yeah. Honestly speaking, I never thought of it. I just wanted to bat. Bangalore, it was a Bangalore pitch and nice and flat. Ball was coming on nicely. And I remember there was a little halt because it rained for a brief period, about half an hour, 40 minutes.
Okay.
And then me and Shikhar, we were not out. We came back in, and Shikhar suddenly, I think after the games started, he got out in the second over. So, I mean, it was my responsibility. And then Virat got run out in that game, which was, I don't know whose fault was that, but it was a bad run out, yes. And then, the whole stadium was looking at me, I know. And then Suresh and I had a good partnership again. Then he got out after scoring 30, 40. And then UV got out early. And then MS and I, we batted till the end, almost till 48th over, I think, if I'm not wrong.
You got out only in the last over, I think. Or probably
last or second last over, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, possibly.
Second last over, I got out.
And how did you get out?
You know how it is with MS in the middle. Like he likes to talk. He likes to, keep adding his thought of what he thinks about what I should do. He was telling me, you know, you're the set batsman. I want you to bat till 48th over, 49th over, or 50th over probably, because you are set. You can hit any bowler anywhere you want. So let me take chance at that point. You just take a back seat, take singles, knock off in the gaps, and find odd boundaries if you can.